the 7th row. In order to start the 7th row, we need to make connection loops into the first single crochet, into the double crochet, and the last one into the arch between the first and the second double crochet, into the arch, connection loop, raising chain loop, and a single crochet into the same arch. 3 loops, a single crochet into the next arch, 3 loops, a single crochet into the next arch, 3 loops, a single crochet into the next arch, 3 loops, a single crochet into the next arch, 3 loops, a single crochet into the last arch. So we have 5 arches with 3 loops, and into the next arch we have to make 5 clusters of double crochet. Cluster is when you're not finishing the double crochet in this case. So we pick up the thread, dive inside the arch, and we don't finish it. We make only 1 loop, and the second one, double crochet, not finished. So we have 3 loops on the hook, we close them. This is called cluster. After that we make 2 loops, and this way we have to make other 4. 1 double, second double, finishing, 2 loops, 1 double crochet, second double crochet, finishing, 2 loops, 1 double crochet, second double crochet, finishing, and the last one, 2 loops, 1 double crochet, second double crochet, finishing. 5 arches here, no loop between them, and 5 clusters with 2 loops in between them. See you in the end of the row. Okay, we have finished almost the row, which was 5 clusters of double crochet with 1 top, and in order to finish we need to find the first single crochet where we started the row before the first arch. So it's here, it's just a connection loop. So let's see what we have here right now. Don't be scared to stretch and see the ornament. Still not the end. The most interesting is up front. See you on the next row.